cost per acquisition. So you're saying to Google, hey Google, here's what I would like to spend on a lead. Go away and find me people who are most likely to convert at this level. So
Okay.
for example, you know, you're in jazz guitar, right? If Google knows that, you know, you're into jazz guitar by your browsing history, all that kind of stuff. Google also knows that I'm really not into jazz guitar because I never listen to jazz guitar. I never go to jazz guitar websites. I don't watch any training on it, right? So if you're served an ad related to jazz guitar and I am, Google's going to say, hey, Greg's more likely to convert than Alana because of his browsing history. So they're going to bid more for you and bid less for me.
Oh, okay.
That's
Sure.
with their automated bidding. So that's why you need enough data, and it needs so it's essentially bidding differently. So as an advertiser, I don't know the difference between you and me.
Mm.
Google does.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why Target CPA with enough data works really well, because they use all those data points to say who's more likely to convert and who's less likely to convert.
Sure. Okay. Understand.